Today, we're going to buy into some random TikTok millionaires courses to test them out because I don't know what it is, but lately it seems like all of the gurus who were once in the YouTube ads flexing their lifestyle are now doing it on TikTok. First things first, we are going to react to some TikTok day trading people since there's no shortage of people on TikTok talking about day trading and then trying to sell a course about it.
I can take you there. Wildest dreams, put some faith in me.
Okay, bro, I'm calling cap. $13,500 from a $100 investment. I don't know if you really mean that you turned $100 into 13 grand, but if you did, you're some sort of genius, buddy.
Take my hand to your fantasy.
Bro, since when did Dream start making day trading videos? Homie's legit speedrunning a Robinhood account like it's Minecraft, and I have to admit, it's kinda catchy. I can definitely see why this video went viral, but my only question is, to grow an account from literally $100 to 200 grand, you gotta be doing some risky call options, which seem like gambling to me.
Options trading is gambling. Still making your bi-weekly salary in a day go long.
Buddy just absolutely roasted me from his penthouse apartment because you know what? I did call options trading gambling and he probably does make my bi-weekly salary in a day. In this video though, we are going to give him a true chance to show if he's either a day trading expert or a capper by going over to his Twitter page right here. He literally posts all of his trades for free, and for the next week, I'm gonna be copying him to see if I make money. While we're doing that though, I actually have another YOLO Robinhood account with a grand total of $1,300 in it, and in a recent episode of testing TikTok side hustles, I actually paid 200 bucks to join some random guy's Discord chat for stocks, and let's just say I singled him out because his content on TikTok's kind of interesting.
Picked up this $350,000 Ford Bronco.
Okay, so just hold on one second. We're gonna go over to Google right here, which is the most popular search engine in the world, and we're gonna type in Ford Bronco MSRP. Boom! As you guys can see, the car retails at a grand total of $27,265, so either he upgraded the rims to liquid gold or he's capping. Jokes aside, this dude isn't only flexing a $30,000 Ford Bronco, he also has an Audi R8, which he very prominently uses to market his course, and over the next week, we are going to copy the trades from both the Discord group and also the free Twitter page to see which one's really better. Holy smokers, guys, it is absolutely raining out here this morning, but as you can see, it is currently 8:51 a.m. I went on a little longboard ride to start the day, and to start the day off in the WeBull account, I bought $100-something of the new Bitcoin ETF that came out. I decided to buy into it since in the Discord chat I'm in, it was mentioned as a good buy, and I honestly agree since I also scooped up some shares in my personal accounts. And on that note, guys, it's raining, so we should probably head inside my apartment. So for those of you guys who don't know, the best time to day trade stocks are the first hour of the day and also the last hour of the trading day. And I can definitely tell this Twitter page guy is taking advantage of that since he just posted in the chat to buy into this company, GRVI. He didn't say to buy options, he said to buy shares. So since we don't have a ton of money in this account, I'm gonna buy $70 worth and hopefully it goes well.
A few moments later.
It has officially been 30 minutes since we got into that stock trade, and well, ladies and gentlemen, we're already cashing out for a fat gain. As you all can see, we're up 7.15% or about $5 since we didn't put that much in, and we're gonna sell it since the Twitter page dude told us to do so. With more day trading profit than I knew what to do with, I decided to order DoorDash and tip 100 bucks. Kim?
William.
Oh yeah, here's a $100 tip.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
William?
Yeah, just for you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good
Okay.
day. Bye. I hope we made the DoorDash guy's day right there, but on that note, guys, it looks like we're kind of down bad so far since we made $5 day trading today, and I just spent 120 bucks on DoorDash. Nonetheless, I believe in the comeback though, since the Twitter page dude just posted another trade where for some reason we're supposed to buy both call and put options at the same time on Netflix stock right before the earnings report. Seems like kind of a stupid idea, but we're gonna listen to him and see what happens. Well guys, I'm sorry to inform you, but when you check the Robinhood account right here, you can see that
I declare bankruptcy!
Not even kidding, I got a little too excited on that Netflix trade yesterday. I way over leveraged on both the call and put option I placed, and of course with my luck, both of them are down 90+% today, and we've lost $510.70. At this point, I'm just gonna hold on to both of the options I placed on Netflix since they're essentially worthless, and who knows, maybe something crazy will happen. Nonetheless, even with that fat L to start the day, trading continued with the dude calling out 7 different trades on Twitter, 5 of which I was able to get into for a total profit of $3 since 2 of the trades were profitable and 3 weren't. Not a good look so far for the Twitter page, but on the bright side, he did just tweet out that he's looking for the next 10,000% gainer now. So ladies and gentlemen, we have hope.
It's that simple. You pick up the green hammer of death, you go gong, and stocks go up.
This is kind of ironic, but so far there hasn't been a whole lot of trading going on in the Daily Traders Discord chat. All that I've gotten into so far is buying $123 worth of the Bitcoin ETF, which by the way, we're up $5.10 on. I've definitely noticed that in this Discord chat, not a whole lot of trading goes on every single day. The owner only posts like between 1 and 3 trades every week, which is honestly fine with me as long as they're accurate. On that note, we have 2 days left in this little experiment, and so far the Discord chat is the clear winner since it's the only one that hasn't lost us a bunch of money. I'll keep you guys updated with day 3. By day 3 of this challenge, it became clear that the Twitter page was not the place to take options callouts. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I've been following this Twitter page for 3 days now, and I can already say it's not the move, at least for me personally. Homie tweets like 20 times a day, and it's super hard to distinguish between an actual stock callout, him saying he's giving away all his money to his mom, and him saying I hate all of y'all. We're probably gonna stop working with the Twitter page for the rest of this challenge since it's super hard to follow when homie's actually buying into a position. And on that note, throughout the time I worked with him, he only had like 1 or 2 really good profitable trades. And of course he had to make a TikTok video about just the trades that were profitable.
Tell me all the ways to stay away.
I was able to get into that trade he posted a TikTok video about. I made some money, but of course I lost money on other trades to make up for that. We're still gonna keep working with the Discord chat throughout the rest of today and tomorrow. So on that note, I'll let you guys know on the results at the end of this video. Don't even get me started on Shopify dropshipping. For those of you who've been watching this channel for a while, you already know I have some definite beef with this side hustle. Nonetheless, I've seen almost a second blow up of people talking about dropshipping on social media since everyone's saying the power of TikTok ads is crazy.
Here's the 3 steps I used to make 100K this month.
Boom, damn. There you have it. All these people with successful dropshipping businesses are making more money than your doctor with an 8-year degree just running some ads on TikTok to a Shopify store that sells products from China.
I met this bitch from Georgia. She was gorgeous, so I fucked her in the morning till the morning. I've been ballin' Michael Jordan, Kyrie Irving.
See guys, don't you want a sick ass lifestyle like my boy Jacob? He's making 100 bands a month and he'll teach us how to make money also if we go over to his TikTok page and click the free training at the link in his bio.
Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jacob Levinrad. I'm a 19-year-old high school dropout. Many of you might have seen me on TikTok. I have over 500,000 followers on there.
High school dropout gang? Just kidding, that's between him and Lil Pump. I got my high school diploma, but I also can't relate on the TikTok followers since I only got 30K. He's balling way more than us guys. Like, I need to be like this dude.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say that you need a program, you need my course, but I will say my course and program as a whole include a lot. Having access to one-on-one support from an expert, me building your full store, adding in a product, as well as giving you my full course, which is an A to Z 20+ section video course covering each and every step, as well as all of my personalized strategies.
Wow, dude just sounded like he was trying to like jam in as much words like my free A to Z easy guide, course, mentorship,
20+ section video course covering each and every step.
For those of you who are curious, the whole free training video we watched wasn't really free training, since the whole time he just plugs his course, which is $300. Before we make the decision to buy this course or not, I want to get some free information on Shopify dropshipping, so I hit up one of my good friends, Sebastian Escueda, and he essentially makes a bunch of money Shopify dropshipping. How much money have you been making with TikTok ads? 'Cause I've seen some of your stories and it's crazy, like over 1,000 a day easy, right?
Yep. Yeah, we're going hard with TikTok ads. I think the most I've done in a day has been around $7,000, so it's been pretty good. Here's this month on one of our stores, and I can like refresh it and stuff.
After getting on a call with a friend of mine, I decided to ask some questions about my product ideas, with the first one being a license plate holder that can hide your plate info.
It's a cool product. I don't know the legalities with it per se, but like I know Radar is also sold well on TikTok. When you're looking for a product to run, the main thing, like just make sure there's content available on TikTok. We download videos for the product if we see it on TikTok, like stuff that's gone viral, and then we use that directly for ads.
And this next product is one I'm unsure about, but I feel like I can market it to like my type of audience. It's kind of like more print on demand. Do you have any experience with that?
So one of the things I tried with before I did dropshipping was print on demand. Was never successful with it. It may work, but this is definitely not my expertise at all.
There you have it, everyone. Quick plot twist. I actually made this video to decide what business model between day trading and Shopify dropshipping I want to take a deep dive into next. I thought about vending machines for a while, but after making that video with my boy Jaime Ibanez, I realized that those things cost a lot of money to get into, and it also takes a bunch of your time. I'd much rather have that make money with Jacob lifestyle, where I just rake in 100 bands a month without a high school diploma. On a serious note, the next series on this channel will be me buying someone's Shopify with TikTok ads course, so that I'm able to try and scale up a business. Let me know, guys, down below, which course would you rather me buy? Sebastian Escueda's, Make Money with Jacob's, or both, so we can compare them. Now, everyone, that brings me to an update on how the day trading is going, and I have to say that Discord chat I picked out is honestly pretty good. So far, I've done a total of 10 trades with the Discord chat in about a month on and off, and I've made about $250 profit. That's not just for me doing trades in this video, but also past videos. So far in this video, we've done 3 trades total with the Discord chat. 2 of them were on Snapchat today, and I haven't closed any positions yet, so it's kind of hard to say if we're in the positive or in the negative for this video. I really like how this Discord chat only calls out a couple of trades every single week. It's honestly a lot easier to manage than a random Twitter page that tweets like 20 different things every single day. I'm not trying to call anyone out right there with that statement, not trying to start any beef, but with that being said, if you guys want to see the next video in the series, check this video out on the screen right here, and peace out.